Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to permanently delete your Google account. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to permanently delete your Google account, then I will show you simple method how to do this. First of all, you can open your browser and log in your Gmail account, or already you have logged in your Gmail app. Just open your Gmail app, then tap on this profile icon, then tap on manage your Google account. After that, you will find here data and privacy. Tap on that, then scroll down. In last, you will find delete your Google account. Just tap on this. After that, you need to follow some of these steps. After following this step one by one, your Google account will be deleted permanently. That's it guys. So in this way you can delete your Google account permanently. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.